There are people making $60,000 a month from a single page app with no subscription model, no login wall, no complicated setup. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build one from scratch using Base44, and I did it with just 5 prompts. The app is called SnapCV. It's a one-page resume builder that takes your work history and a job description and generates a tailored ATS-optimized resume in seconds, with a paywall built right in. A lot of people have an app idea that could genuinely make them money. They just never built it because they assume the technical side is just out of reach. This video is proof that it isn't. I'll walk you through every prompt I used, including the parts that needed fixing, so you can build this yourself. Now, if you want to follow along, then click the link in the description of this video and sign up for a free account with Base44. This is the tool that we'll be using in this video to build this app. It's completely free to sign up. You don't even need to add your credit card. Just click the link, sign up, and follow along with me. All right, let's get into it. Step 1. The full app build. This first prompt builds the entire foundation. Rather than building the app piece by piece, I gave Base44 the full picture up front. The app name, the layout, every form field, the AI logic, the Stripe paywall, and the design system, all in one go. I told it the app is called SnapCV, that there's no login, the whole thing is publicly accessible, and that it lives on a single page. At the top, a sticky nav with the logo. Below that, a hero section with a headline and a CTA button that scrolls down to the form. The form collects the basics: name, email, phone, location, LinkedIn, plus a work experience field, a skills field, an education field, and a job description field. That last one is the key input. It's what the AI uses to tailor everything. When the user clicks Generate, Base44 calls its built-in LLM with all that data and returns a formatted resume in HTML. Name header, contact info, then summary, work experience, education, and skills. The summary gets written by the AI. The skills get reordered to match the job description. The whole thing is designed to pass ATS screening. The resume preview sits on the right of the form on desktop and stacks below it on mobile. And the download button is locked behind a $7 Stripe payment. I also specified the full design system in this first prompt: Navy, electric blue, interfont, generous spacing. So the output comes out clear from the start instead of needing a visual overhaul later. Step 2. The blur gate. Out of the box, Base44 generated the full resume and showed the entire thing in the preview. Now, that's a problem. If users can read the whole resume for free, there's no reason to pay the $7. So, the next prompt adds what I'd call a blur gate. The name, contact info, and professional summary stay fully visible, enough to prove the AI is working and the output looks good. Everything below that gets faded out with a gradient, and a lock overlay appears on top of the blurred area, prompting the user to pay to download. The full resume is still generated and stored in the background. It's just not visible until after payments. This is a standard freemium pattern, and it works really well here because the summary alone is enough to hook the user. They can see the quality, they just can't take it with them yet. That fixed the functionality, but the overlay still needed some visual work. Step 3. The paywall card. The first version of the overlay had the lock icon and payment text floating directly on top of the summary, which made the readable content hard to see and looked a bit rough. One more prompt fixed that. I replaced the floating overlay with a clean card sitting entirely within the blurred zone. White background, rounded corners, subtle shadow, lock icon at the top, the price copy below it, and the download button. Nothing overlaps the summary anymore. The card lives where it belongs, below the readable content on top of the blur. Step 4. Improving the AI output. At this point, the app was functional, but I wanted the resume quality to actually justify the price. A generic AI summary and weak bullet points weren't going to cut it. This prompt tightens up the LLM instructions significantly. The professional summary now follows a specific 3-sentence structure. First sentence covers the candidate's title and years of experience. Second, highlights their strongest metric. Third, connects their background directly to the target role. Every bullet point in the work experience section has to start with an action verb. And at least 2 out of 4 bullets need a number or metric. Skills get grouped into a maximum of 3 categories, capped at 5 per category, and filtered down to only what's relevant to the job description. Filter phrases like responsible for or helped with are automatically rewritten into achievement-focused language. This is the prompt that turns a generic AI resume into something that actually looks like it was written by a professional. Lastly, I added a bonus feature that honestly makes the price a pretty easy yes. Step 5. ATS match score. After the resume is generated, a second AI call runs in the background. It analyzes how well the resume content matches the job description and returns 3 things: a match score between 60 and 98, 2 strengths showing what the resume does well against a job posting, and 2 specific improvement suggestions. That data gets displayed as the circular progress ring at the top of the preview panel. The score number bold in the center, the ring filling based on the percentage, and the strengths and improvements listed on the right. The whole block sits above the blur gate, so users see their ATS score for free. They just have to pay to get the actual resume. And that's a deliberate decision. The score creates urgency. If someone sees an 84% match, they want to know what's in that resume. The $7 ask at that point feels completely reasonable. So the question is Base44 actually worth using? Well, if you need a working app fast and you don't have a development budget, it's genuinely one of the best options out there right now on the market. The prompt-based workflow is more intuitive than most no-code platforms, and the output, when you're specific with your instructions, is closer to a real product than a prototype. Now, the honest trade-off is that the output is probabilistic. Some prompts work on the first pass. Others need a follow-up or 2. And if you're building something complex, you can burn through credits faster than expected. Going in with that expectation makes the process a lot less frustrating. For anyone who wants to build a revenue-generating app without a developer, without a big budget, and without months of planning, what you just watched is genuinely how fast Base44 can make it happen. So, if you have an app idea sitting in your notes somewhere, this is the sign to actually build it. The free plan is there. The link is in the description, and you might be surprised how far one good prompt takes you. Test it out for yourself. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.